I'm Steph Hutchinson and I'm doing a PhD in dance at the Deakin Motion Lab. My general sort of concept of the project is that I'm working with dance and circus movements which are quite diverse in how they use the physical body, and then working with the motion capture system to analyse those movements from a biomechanics sort of standpoint. Yeah, so I'm looking at trying to bypass habit and what is comfortable and knowable to perform, and how we might be able to extend what's possible for a physical moving body, human body, in performance or generally in a dance context, to see if I might arrive at maybe new movement or new ways to think about transition of movement, things like that. I think the most enjoyable thing about being a PhD student in dance at Deakin is actually the collaboration that you're having with the other PhD students at the same time. I really love our little nook in the motion capture lab because we've got everyone's doing something different, but then there's multiple conversations that we're all having with each other and different threads that we can feed in. And I certainly didn't think that I'd be working, say, with John McCormack on his project, and how that then feeds into my own practice and how I think about what I'm doing. I think the PhD gives you a really great opportunity to pull yourself back from having to generate performance works and then re-examine what am I interested in, how can I maybe do something that hasn't been done, or rethink about how I negotiate practice and what that means for both myself as a human learning movement, but also what it means in terms of my capacity to perform in multiple contexts, and how I might generate a new physicality that maybe hasn't been seen.